How fast can you write with shorthand? Have you ever wondered how quickly you can write using shorthand? This method of note-taking can really change the game when it comes to capturing information efficiently. Let's break down just how fast you can write with shorthand and why it matters for effective study note-taking strategies. Shorthand writing speeds can vary quite a bit. It all depends on the system you choose and how skilled you are. Most people write longhand at about 25 to 45 words per minute. In contrast, shorthand users typically aim for speeds of at least 60 to 80 words per minute. This speed is essential for effective note-taking, especially in fast-paced environments like lectures or meetings. Now, if you really master shorthand, you can reach impressive speeds. Skilled shorthand writers can often write at 100 to 160 words per minute. Some advanced users even push beyond to 100 words per minute. In competitive settings, such as stenography, speeds can soar up to 350 words per minute, but that takes extensive practice and training. Shorthand is designed to help you write faster by using symbols or abbreviations for sounds, words, or phrases. There are popular systems like Pitman, Greg, and T-Line. T-Line is often recommended for beginners because it has a logical structure and is relatively easy to learn. Even with T-Line, you can achieve speeds of up to 160 words per minute. From a study hacks perspective, shorthand is particularly useful for taking notes during lectures where information is delivered quickly. It allows you to capture more content verbatim compared to writing longhand. This means you can review and comprehend the material better later on. Learning shorthand can significantly improve your note-taking efficiency, allowing you to write less while recording more information. If you are just starting with shorthand, it is important to practice consistently. Beginners should set achievable speed goals around 60 to 80 words per minute. As you become more comfortable with the system, you can gradually increase your speed. Applying shorthand techniques can transform your note-taking into a faster and more effective study method. This helps you keep pace with spoken content and retain more information for exams or assignments. So, how fast can you write with shorthand? With practice and the right system, you can write significantly faster than with longhand, making it a fantastic tool for students and professionals alike.